Hello everyone, and welcome back to Lessons Learned. Today we feature some of the star cards for April, as well as a few older cards from our Fall 4x4 challenge last year. Yeah, remember that? Yeah, our editing equipment finally came in and we can share those cards now. Honestly, I debated whether or not to share these cards. I talked it over with my middle son and he gave me the go-ahead, so here we are. While the fall or Christmas cards are certainly out of season, there's no better way to prepare for the next season than by having a few ready-made cards on hand. That said, let's take a look at these cards. This first card is simply sweet. It features dies and embellishments by Spellbinders from the Sweet Treat collection by Tina Smith. Here we use the Sweet Treat box and the Cookie Corner etched dies to make the box and adorable cookies for this card. We use a piece of clear acetate to cover the box and allow the cookies to show through. We use the Sweet Sprinkles embellishments from the same collection to decorate our cookies. And we emboss a beautiful pink glimmer cardstock with the Sweater Weather embossing folder from the Be Merry collection. What a gorgeous card! The next card features the beautiful Hero Arts clear stamp set, Zest Wishes. I went old school with this one. I used the Pink Fresh Studio diagonal stitched rectangles die to provide some texture to the main panel. No dies were purchased with this stamp set. I simply inked everything up with an alcohol marker friendly ink and used my Spectrum Noir markers to color everything with some light blending. I fussy cut everything out and heat embossed the sentiment included with the set. Then I used the Pink Fresh Studio layered Sunburst stencil set to capture some bright rays. Final embellishment includes varying sized gold gems, and voila! A beautiful, bright encouragement card. Sending Big Hugs uses the beautiful Pink Fresh Studio You Are Amazing coordinating stencil set and inks. Pink Fresh Studio makes this beautiful, intricate work almost effortless. I just love their products. We use a tag from the Pink Fresh Studio Essentials Fancy Label Frames die set and heat emboss a stamped sentiment. We add some coordinating gems from Pink Fresh Studio and you have a beautiful encouragement card for someone. These last three cards are cards that were made during the November 2021 4x4 challenge but were not sent out. So we'll keep them in our stash for the upcoming season. The first card is a Christmas card featuring the Santa's Fireplace Large Die of the Month for October 2021. This is a very intricate, beautiful die set. We use the beautiful Sweater Weather embossing folder from the Be Merry collection to emboss our main panel. Glossy accents helps to accentuate our fire in the hearth and the candle tops. Just beautiful. This next card is an oldie but a goodie. It features the Home for the Holidays Spellbinders Small Die of the Month die from October 2019. We die cut our beautiful lady presenting a pie on some foiled cardstock, and we die cut the phrase "See you soon." We die cut that phrase a few times and coated it with glossy accents for dimension. Just simple and heartwarming. What a lovely card. Our final card features the Spellbinders Open House Sentiment Steps etched dies from the Open House collection. We make this a true slimline card. This is a beautiful card showcasing most of the beautiful colors of Christmas. Well, that's it for now. Thanks so much for joining me. I just want to encourage someone that when you're creating, it is never too late. And even if you miss a deadline, you can always save your creations for the next season. Keep Keep an eye out on our channel for our next videos. Let's continue to share hope and positivity to those within our sphere of influence. Until next time, remember to bloom just where you're planted. God bless. Bye.